Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your MAXCOM phone. So to do this we have to click on this arrow at the first to enter this menu, then scroll until you find the settings, click OK. Right now we have to go for the phone settings and scroll down to restore factory settings. Click OK, and here we have to input the password. In the most cases the password is default. It will be about 1 2 3 4, 4 times 0 or 4 times 1. Let's try at the first 1 2 3 and 4, then click OK. As you can see the password is incorrect, so let's try with the 1 1 1 and 1. This one is also not working, so let's try with the last one, 4 times 0. And as you can see, the 4 times 0 is working. So click OK to confirm. Now you just have to be patient and wait a little bit. And right now we are able to perform the first setup of our device. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.